with some of the material shortages, it's really hard to get piling. So we just have to grab what we can get. And we got 20s and 25s here, which is going to give a lot deeper piling in the ground. Guys are getting them lasted up here now. We're getting ready to start setting them on this side right here. Here's the next dock that's in the process of being demoed, fixing to head to the reclaim center. Here's the process here of reclaiming material. Takes a little extra work. Well, we had to demobilize everything from Shoreline Park. We got this hurricane or tropical depression wave coming up here. Really don't know what it's going to do when it gets in the Gulf of Red. So getting everything mobilized over to some safe harbors right now. Got the material higher ground and got all the trash collected off the job too, so we don't have nothing washing away or damaging any other docks or boats. We got all of our equipment and barges moved back over on Monday morning. The tropical storm just passed right by us. We didn't have any effect of it at all. Actually 4 boat ramps here and 3 docks. We worked on one side and allowed the public to continue the usage of the boat ramps as long as they didn't interfere with our work. Everybody was pretty good and stayed out of our way. Had to do a lot of concrete chipping here. When I did this 15 years ago, I poured all the concrete right around the stringer, so it came back to haunt us. We got to clean it all out. Got most of the outside framing structure up now. The bolts going in, fixing to do the inside stringers, and then we'll be laying down. Hopefully, if we keep moving at the pace we are, we'll have this completed by Friday. Center dock is nearing completion. Got this little access ramp. I don't deck that out, because like I told the guys, if we build it, they will come. And they will come all over that dock while we're trying to build it. So we make it a little bit more difficult for them to get out to the dock until we get it completed. The first dock is 100% completed. We're actually missing just a couple piling caps on back. We're able to get those on. And that's when you know your dock has been built right to last. Had a couple of our customers pulling their boats out here, and she mentioned to me, hey, you got my dock completed, but you didn't put a DMC sticker on it. I want a DMC logo on my dock. I really appreciate people wanting that, so we're going to go ahead and get that over there before we get stuck on it. Makes us very proud that people respect our work that way, and they want to know that people know that their dock was built by DMC. We're back with a lot heavier bumpers on this dock, and we screwed them off on 4-inch centers. Put some fender washers underneath of it also to try to help some of these guys that crash into the dock or do hard landings on the dock from ripping these bumpers off. There we go. We got some screws underneath the water that we got to screw in, and I found a new little spring deal at Lowe's. So they're able to run the screw gun, and he's able to put the screws in underwater. Pretty cool. Don't be telling everybody my secrets now. Our structure here, we got some really good hurricane straps, stainless steel straps, tying every one of these down. They're 12-inch strap on every single stringer that's not bolted to the piling. And then where there's joints, we've got scab blocks on there, and that's all screwed down as well. We got a nice one coming in the moor up right now. One of the bigger ones we've had on here so far. 36-foot Sea Ray. I think you should have probably chained that up, but we'll see. And that's why it should have been chained up. Guess he's going on with it. I don't know about that. Yeah, that's like 13, 6, 14 maybe. Already picking the back of his truck up. Smooth. Hey guys, it's Friday morning. We plan on having this dock knocked out and all 4 boat ramps opened up for the public to use. That'll give us right at 2 weeks to complete this entire project. Hey, real close to having this completed. Friday morning here, getting the barge out of here now. All we got to do is a little bit more bolting on the 3rd dock over here and install the deck. Be ready for 100% usage this weekend. Already got people all over it. You guys are working like crazy over here, getting this thing done. We got all the framing done, all the bolting done. Now it's just a matter of screwing off this deck. There's like 8 screws in every single deck board, and they're 4-inch long, so it takes a little bit of time. We're countersinking each one so nobody gets their feet hung up on them walking down the dock. Hey guys, we have really worked our tails off trying to get these docks done this weekend. We got the 3rd dock done. We got a little bit of cosmetic stuff done. We're waiting on some bumpers to show up. We're missing bumpers and piling caps. But these 2 other docks over here are completed 100%. So all 4 boat ramps should be open this weekend. Get Hector. Say hi to all the people in Cuba. Hector's pulling in the sides right now, bowed out just a little bit to keep all of our decking fitting nice and tight. Does an excellent job, one of our best employees. Of course, they all are. We really appreciate your patience in working with us and around us while we're doing the construction over here, and I'm glad that we were able to keep the ramps open so y'all can continue to use boat ramps, because I know there's not too many in this area. 5 minutes and all together. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up and like if you like it, and share it. Got any comments? Leave me a comment and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks.